Bit wet, wasn't it, mate?
Bit wet, yeah.
Roll the clip. Roll the clip.
Now is not the time for a camera.
What's going on, Max?
It's raining, turn that off.
You keep telling us to be more friendly and chatty on the vlog, and then, mate, he's just.
Mate, I couldn't get any more friendly on the vlog. I watched the vlog last night, and oh my god, I had him in stitches when he was doing the. And you were like, don't ever do that again.
It's getting clipped, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
It ain't raining.
There are
Last
blue
time you were
skies
here,
behind you.
3 days ago, you went skiing.
Facts.
Now it's sunny.
Where were you actually? What was
I
going
was like,
on?
I'm working.
Are you going to get you to the slopes?
Oh,
soon, or-
graft. Whilst everyone
Look at
else.
them ruining the job, man. Go on, Joey.
Boys are ready to go. We've got a new group of riders this week. Luke Burton's out doing some coaching. Pretty hefty army of riders to go out. Loads of kids, loads of dads. Should be in for a good week, mate.
What's going on here? We've got coaching going on.
Training week, kids and adults mixed. Next year I'm going to do kids week, adult week, just so it's a bit easier. Yeah, and I can cater for more of my kids. And yeah, so that's fun to learn and get ready for the race season.
We got BJ on the. Are we really going with BJ?
We ain't got a new name for me yet, so let's go
That'll
BJ.
come. That'll come. Leave it in the
Introduce.
comments.
Leave in the comments, new name.
We got Def Cam here, but he's shooting on.
Pizza, we got Pizza Boy.
Ooh,
Pizza
boy. That could be quite good after that
That's a
skiing
bad
trip.
boy name, that.
Full speed, mate.
Oh, he's in full speed mode, mate. Going on, dog.
Waffling.
Waffling.
Yeah.
What's the track like, guys? Come on, drop your camera shot now, Ben.
Yeah, it's much better than last time.
Yeah. What was it like last time? It was a bit wet, wasn't it, mate?
Bit wet, yeah.
Yeah.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
Now is not the time for a camera.
Jake, you're getting flashbacks.
Yeah, no, not yet. It's no
Not
big
yet.
puddles.
It's not that bad yet, is it?
Not yet.
I think
See you in a
I'm
minute when
hang
I'm
on,
sliding
a
on
bit
my
zoomed in.
face.
Oh, there you go. What's that?
See you in a minute when I'm sliding on my face.
Yeah. Oh, he's got the GoPro on. We'll be having that. We'll have that footage, please. Man, the myth, the absolute content legend returns. Go on, do it. Do it. Oh, yeah, it's warm up. Look at this stance on. That was big! That was big! Yes, Jay! Go on, big whip! Yeah! Oh, yeah! What's going on? The track good?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Is the training good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything else to say?
It's starting to get a little bit wet.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. What's going on, Max?
It's raining, turn that off.
Do you want to eat your kiwi first?
Yeah, hang on 1 sec. We are ready. Right, yes guys, day 2 for this group. We are at the sunny and beautiful CDG. I mean, just look at it. Big rollers, big doubles, big corners, big senders. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have a good day. Guys are getting ready. There is a couple locals here today, so see what they're saying. Yeah.
Why aren't you riding, Ram?
Mike's gone home.
No.
Yeah.
It's coming
Nearly
to the end.
time for race season though, so I'm excited. Alright, here's a game for you guys. Bit like Where's Wally, but it is spot the Spanish, spot the English. One's wearing coats, and one's got his top off, so it's quite hard to tell.
Oh, that was class. Oh, that was even better.
It's good.
All
sun's
eyes on
shining,
me.
we're out there.
Right, come on, Jake. Yep, give us a little for the vlog.
Oh, don't know if I got that in me.
Tell us your name and your number.
Oh no, I ain't got that.
No,
either.
you've got it.
I'm
you've got
unknown.
it.
I'm
Come on,
unknown.
mate.
I'm waiting to look.
This
I
is the
can't
second
give
week
it.
for you now on this vlog. Come on.
No, I ain't got it
Say
yet.
hello,
No,
my name's
after lunch,
Jake.
After lunch, we'll come back to this. We'll
All
come
right,
back to
I'll
it
come
after
back.
lunch.
We'll give him some time.
On it! Do you reckon he's looking? What is he looking?
He's looking around, yeah. No, he's looking.
Wait, where is he? There he is.
We'll go over and ask him. We'll probably like, honest!
Definitely looked that time.
Here we have is wild Howard in his natural habitat. He's a very, very rare and strange specimen. Here we have another weird and strange specimen. Rather tall, not so much strength on it.
Oi! Bollywood got it, mine.
Hollywood's got it.
My guy.
Oh, camera friends. Oh, we've both got cameras. Oh, we've got cameras. Do you want to be my friend? Right, guys, we're back with the one and only Jack. He's even watching his own clips. He's that professional.
He's going through taxi. I'm watching how many stack hits.
Right, Jake, come on, give us an overall for the day. Be like, yeah, track was good.
But to be fair, you pulled it out of the bag today.
That's it, there you go.
I'm back with a bit of sunshine. I mean, even yesterday was good track conditions, but yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to the rest of the week, see what's in store.
Yes, there we go.
Yeah, we're gonna have it.
Well done. Skiing, Jack, skiing. Cheers, mate. Cheers, guys. Yes, Ben, back on the vlog. Come on, give us a look. You've got beer in your hand. You must have had a good day.
It means my time is over.
Time is over. Sorry, I'm filming your chest. You had a good day, though?
Yeah, apart from you filming boobs, yeah, really good.
It's been good, though, innit? It's been sunny. What's the track like?
Yeah, sun's out, track's good. Quite difficult, but good.
Ready to get home and chill now, yeah? Ready for tomorrow? Yeah, let's go with beer, give us a smile. That's it. It's your boy, Bin Juice and On Dog, Arnie Bacon Sarnie, number 2. It is the end of the day for these guys at beautiful, sunny, and now very, very dry CDG. What do you reckon to the track and the services? It's been a good day. Yeah, it was really good, and the food was banging. The food was really banging. Shout out to the food guys because that was well good. Yeah, I think guys have had a good day today. What do you reckon? All right, thank you. That's enough for today. We are in Alicante, and this track's called. No? Where are we?
Murcia.
Oh, Murcia.
Didn't get a script this morning, did you?
Nah, didn't get a script. We run shit natural around here, which is natural with the vibe and that. Yeah, we're at Northia or whatever it's called, and it's sunny. We've escaped the rain once again, and everyone's getting fired up. Lots of energy. Bit of bike maintenance. Look, filter's going on. Dealer boots. He looks like he's about to go on site, doesn't he? Well, he might pass us a pack of bricks.
Can't park there, sir.
What do you think of the track and the new settings?
It's small, but it looks fun. I'm not even just saying that.
soil looks mega.
Because I'm not gonna lie, on the camera, it's pretty shit. But it's not. It actually looks sick. Like, just have a look. I mean, the camera ain't gonna do its justice, but loads of little scrub jumps. Like, that's a big scrub there. That's a booter there.
Triple that.
What's that?
Triple.
What, triple to down there?
I reckon if you started where the train track is, maybe, yeah. And then, I don't know, yeah, it does actually be fun. Like, definitely sprint. It's definitely sprint laps there. I wouldn't do motor
Tell
around
you
there.
that, I wish my bike was in the van for this track.
You do, yeah.
Yeah.
Just because we haven't rode it before as well.
good.
Yeah.
It's fun.
And it is hot. Like where we are staying, it's cold. And, well, it's not cold, but it's rainy because right now this week. But we drive anywhere to escape that stuff. Yes, yes. Oh, we got ourselves a race, guys. We have got ourselves a race. We've got the footage of it.
Cheating?
Yeah.
Where?
That guy on the KTM 450, you couldn't get him, could you?
No, he's quick to be fair.
You couldn't get
He's
him.
quick.
He is quick. Yeah. What happened? Why'd you cut the track? Ruining the content.
Yeah, but they're training.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
training.
I'll let you off. I'll let you off.
That is the end of today, but don't worry, we will continue with some more tomorrow. Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
We're at Carlet. Had a bit of rain this week, so kind of pulled this track out of the bag. As you can see, it's sunny, luckily. Blue skies. Look that way. Yeah. No, behind you, blue skies. Yeah, track looks mega, nice and watered, graded, 10 out of 10 chocolate, and we're gonna have a good day as always.
It's your first time here, isn't it?
It is my first time
What do you
here.
think?
It's your first time.
Mate, it's good. It's cool. Yeah.
Never been it.
No,
That's
never
so
been here.
cool.
It's a cool little track, I think. Dirt looks cool. Surrounding looks cool.
Oh my god, that inside's
little
gonna. If
place.
someone goes inside, that is gonna be a sick like rut / berm. See that? Yeah. The camera picked that up. Like I was like, it's levitated up.
Camera don't pick up much from what it looks like in real life, does it?
I'll have to go lay
It's like a
next to it.
GoPro. Go lay next to it. Hey, this is your camera. This is your job
That is
now.
my camera. Give me my camera back. Can't you just like carry on with your conversation? You don't always got to like just pretend the camera ain't there. Exactly. Harry knows it. That bike looks a bit small. Right on there, Jakey boy. Come on. Let's. Oh.
It's me good cream, that is.
That is sore mind.
Yeah.
You've had it, ain't you?
Yeah, it's alright. I'm waiting for my bike
You're
to come
lucky
out,
we-
really. You've done
yeah.
half a job again this morning, haven't
You
you?
waiting for your what? Your bike?
Yeah.
It's already out,
It's
mate.
out
It's
there,
there.
look. It's at the back. Well, I'm at the back.
Huh?
I'm at the back.
You probably ain't gonna ride, are you?
I'm gonna ride.
What's going on?
We got it, mate. We got up there.
People out on the track now?
Yeah, we got some little 50s, little trappers out there. Little rippers. Yeah, it's good.
What's track like? Do you wish you was riding?
Mate, I do, yeah. I do.
Looks like good training conditions, to be fair. All the training kiddies lining up for their drills.
No use to me, any of them. Oh, come on, Max, can we come to the track? Oh, I don't want to stay at the house today. Yeah, I want to come and help. That's it. That's what you get. Yeah, nothing. None of them have set foot on the track today. I've been on the track, not all day, but the majority of the day, picking children up. Them boys, nothing.
Oh, here he
He's
comes
supposed to
there.
be on the vlog. He's like, yeah, I'll come every day and I'll vlog for you.
I have been vlogging, mate. He's wanted the
Hey,
vlog
the
camera.
memory card says 14 minutes, so he's been doing bits today.
Been doing bits today?
Yeah, you have.
All right, the other two.
Yeah.
Right, thank you, appreciate it. Air it.
Anyway, that is the end of another week. New button training week. It pissed down the entire week, but we figured it out somehow. We had to dry track every day. I've even surprised myself a little bit, but we have been going far and wide, sorting out even a couple of new spots to ride. There's been a lot of driving, a lot of hours on the road, but had to be done, didn't it? And we've had a good week of it.
Yeah. What's your thoughts for him, dog?
Mega week, really good. We've all pulled it out of the bag, some of us.
I don't think you can be in a coat, can you?
The coat? I'm ill, so I'm cold. It's actually really warm.
What's he doing? Oh, he's getting professional. Have you broke it?
Cut.